And here's my, oh, heavily armored militaristic truck, well, vehicle. So, it is a 40 by half a dozen long build. Several armaments. A BFG, 2 missile launchers, 2 machine guns. Yep. Well, the interior is accessible. Oh, forgot to flip these out. Well, the rear views can be, well, positionable. Front stabber blade pieces. And, well, the bed can be accessible. It has an engine block which can be accessible. This can be switched out for another armored windshield. Again, all done in separate videos. And let me get to the booty. Slap this on. And there's your ramp. Yep. Basically, let me show you how big it is. Here's a kid fig. Tiny. A minifig represented by Fig. He cannot drive it. It is illegal. Still, comes up to probably probably somewhere up in here. The Traveler, which comes up to, I don't know, somewhere around here. And Fig, I mean Eon, not Fig, and his armor, which comes up to right around the top-ish part of the rear view mirrors. Yeah, that is big. Well, I don't know how tall it is. I think like, well, let's see. Yeah, almost a dozen studs tall too. That is big. Yes. That's removable. Oh yeah, and the armaments to flick fire missiles, so boom. Like that. Missiles can store here as per design. Ta-da!